Hello, Algebra 2. Let's see, share screen. This one here. All right. Working on section 1.7 here, problem 6. And let's see, that would be 1.7, number 6, which is number 27. It's not Mr. Guyman this time, it's Mr. Julius here. We want to write a matrix to represent this system here, talking about the vertices on this picture, this kite. So first we got to get a color, but we need to get these into the same form. So let's move that C over. We're going to subtract that. C, we get B minus C is 25. And same thing on the second one, move the B over. So A minus B is negative 35. And the top equation, that's all good. So to write this into a matrix, just like in those other problems, we just want those coefficients out in front. So the top equation, 1, 1, 1, and then have that line there separating your answers, 180, and then 0 A's, but 1B, negative 1C, 25, and then 1A, negative 1B, 0C, negative 35. So we can type that into our matrix down below here. Get the mouse. There we go. So 1, 1, 1, and 180. And then 0, 1, negative 1, 25. Oops, that's negative 1. That one there. Negative 1, 25. And then 1, negative 1, 0, and negative 35. All right. Check our answer. Fantastic. So now we see, I go to part 2. And it looks like there's 3 total parts up here. So part 2 here, now we want to use technology to generate the reduced row echelon form of the matrix. So we'll go over to Desmos and we'll use the matrix calculator. So up top here, math tools, down to the matrix calculator. All right, we want a new matrix. This one's going to be 3 rows and 4 columns, and type in our matrix 1, 1, 1, 180, and then 0, 1, negative 1, 25, and then 1, negative 1, 0, and negative 35. There's our matrix A. We'll press enter so we get that matrix. And then reduce row echelon form. So the bottom left, we want that RREF, and then press the A button for that matrix A. And there's our reduce row echelon form over here. We get that line or that diagonal of 1s, and then our answers 45, 80, and 55. So we'll go back over to Savvis, and in our matrix here, we've got our 1, whoops, that's all in that first box there. 1, then 0, 0, and then that 45, and then 1, 0, 1, 0, 80, and then 0, 0, 1. So we have that diagonal of 1s and 55. And we'll check our answer. Well done. Well done for the computer, because we just had to type stuff in. And then finally, we have to find the angle measures. Well, that's just the answers from our reduced row echelon matrix. So top row is A, middle row is B, bottom row is C. So we got A is 45 and B is 80 and C is 55. All right, and then we can check our answer. Nice work. So that's again problem 1-7, number 27.